It is giveaway day. After waiting for a while, our last Quest 3 giveaway has just ended. We got to pick a winner for that. We just hit 70,000 subscribers thanks to all of you, so we're just going to start another Quest 3 giveaway already. We'll have to give you the details on that. There's some other people right now giving away a bunch of Quest 3s too, some gaming PCs even customized after VR creators. So there's a lot to go over in today's video. First thing here, we just started that new 70,000 subscriber Quest 3 giveaway. These Quest 3s, unfortunately, are not provided by Meta. We have to buy all these ourselves, but all of you have been so supportive of the channel. We love giving them to you, giving back. I wish we could give away more, but they're not super cheap. We did actually give away an extra Quest 2 recently. If you missed that, the person sent us some pictures of it. They were all the way in Singapore. They were the winner of the Racket Club merch box from Resolution Games, but it turned out they didn't have a Quest to play Racket Club on, period, so we were able to just buy them one on the Amazon, their country, have it shipped them so they could actually play their new game. Well, basically over on Gleam, we just started the new giveaway. There will be a link in the comments, the description down below. That's running through the end of March. That's a new Quest 3 giveaway if you haven't entered into it already. Make sure you get in on that one. Next thing, we got to go over and pick our giveaway winner from the last one, find out who's getting a brand new Quest 3. So let's jump over to Gleam here. All right, we ended up with 1,975 people entering. I think that's actually a little lower. I wasn't promoting this one as much. I didn't talk about it as much, so a little bit better chances here. Let's get a winner. 3, 2, 1. And congratulations to Tinoman VR. Tinoman VR? That sounds like a name of maybe a channel, so I'll have to look up if they've got a channel. Congratulations, Tinoman VR. Also, while you're here, I wanted to let everybody know, if you were here when I told you Underdogs was doing 10 Quest 3 giveaway, they were giving away 10 of them altogether. They announced their winners, and in case you went and entered and you did miss it, the winners were Daniel D, Surprised P, Iago V, John S, Luke G, Michael C, Bowden T, Harvey S, Ethan V, and Amanda T. So if one of those names sounds like it might be you, definitely go check your email and make sure, because I think Underdog said it was like 30 days you had to redeem if you won over there. So congratulations again, Tinoman, if I'm saying that right, VR, for winning ours. And then if one of you was one of the people that won the Underdogs, make sure you get that redeemed. And then let me know in the comments if that was you too, because I was really hoping with them giving away that many, someone in our community would also win one of those. It's awesome. We got to give away another one to all of you that didn't win. Remember, we have the other new one going on, but there is another gaming company right now, the company that just came out with Veil, the new shooter. It's one that's been in development for a while. You've probably heard about it, but if not, Veil is a competitive PvP shooter. It advertises having really good gun mechanics. The community overall, a lot of people really love Veil. There's a bit divisive though. Some people really don't care for the game. Of course, then you got the people who love Pavlov, Contractors, other shooters out there. But either way, Veil is doing a big giveaway to celebrate their launch. So the grand prize is actually an intense gaming PC. It's a custom Haby 147 gaming PC based after the VR creator Haby 147, winner of VR Creator of the Year last year, actually. That's an intense PC because it's customized after him. It's got high-end specs, a 14900K, a 4080 Super. Surprised it's not a 4090, but still very top of the line. So that's what one grand prize winner gets. But then 10 people can get Quest 3s in this giveaway. So that's 10 more Quest 3s. Then they're also giving away some exclusive merch care packages, play session with the devs, and a whole bunch of in-game currency. So basically down below, there's going to be links to our brand new Quest 3 giveaway. Of course, this big Veil giveaway in case you want to get entered in that. Congratulations again to the winner of the new Quest 3. We're going to keep doing these as long as you can. But an important question to some of you out there, I know that the Quest 2s are a lot cheaper, and some people said we should keep those giveaways going if we can. It might mean a few less Quest 3s throughout the year, but it would mean a bit more often and a bit more given away, so we can basically give away 2 Quest 2s for the price of 1 Quest 3. I'd love to know in the comments down below, what do you think? Should we also bring back the Quest 2 giveaways, or are most of you out there Quest 2 owners or Quest 3 owners and you really just want another Quest 3? I'd love to know, but once again, I just gotta say another heartfelt thank you. All of you have really shown up to support the channel. It's been a wild year. We've been all over the place thanks to all of you, and it seems like it's going to keep on continuing this year. So thank you once again. Good luck in the giveaways, and I'll see you in another reality.